Today, we will learn about acid rain. How does it form? Let's start with its definition. Acid rain is any form of precipitation that contains high levels of nitric and sulfuric acids. Normal rain has a pH of 5.6, which means it is slightly acidic in nature, while acid rain generally has a pH between 4.2 and 4.4, which means it is more acidic than normal rain that happens every day. Although acid rain comes in the rain form, it can also occur in the form of snow, fog, and tiny bits of dry material that settled to earth. For acid rain formation, both sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are required along with water vapor. Most of the fossil fuel emissions come from burning coal, petroleum, gasoline, and natural gas for electricity, heat, and transportation. These fossil fuels produce enormous amount of toxic gases in our atmosphere, with factories, power plants, industries, and transportation being the major sources. Let's take an example. On one side, a vehicle running on petroleum releases heavy toxic compounds such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide in the form of smoke that comes out of its exhaust. And on the other side, water bodies get evaporated in the form of water vapor at the same time. Now, when these toxic gases goes up in the atmosphere, they mix with water, oxygen, and other chemicals, often sped up by sunlight. And thus, some chemical reactions occur in the upper atmosphere. These chemical reactions form sulfuric acid and nitric acid that later fall on Earth as acid rain. These wet precipitating acid rain falls on Earth with tremendous speed, causing a huge loss to our environment. Well, talking about its impact, acid rain is very harmful to agriculture, plants, and animals. It washes away all nutrients which are required for the growth and survival of plants. Acid rain affects agriculture by the way it alters the composition of the soil. It causes respiratory failures in animals and humans, which can be more dangerous. When acid rain falls down into the rivers and ponds, it affects the aquatic ecosystem. It alters the chemical composition of the water to a form which is actually harmful to the aquatic ecosystem to survive and causes water pollution. Acid rain also causes the corrosion of water pipes, which further results in leaching of heavy metals such as iron, lead, and copper into drinking water. It can devastate buildings, monuments, any other made structures made up of stones and metals. So you have just learnt acid rain and its formation. When the next time we get together, we will take on another interesting topic. Bye for now.